Hey, it's John-Marc, and I think you know that by now. Well, I have some exciting news to share with you that's coming out of the studio. Yeah, before I say that, I want to say thank you to all those who've been checking out my videos on how to draw cartoons and my 3 easy steps. Thanks for watching that. I got a book, my latest drawing book. Yeah, right here. This is my book that I just produced right now. It's in my store and online that you could download for a PDF or actually get a hard copy like this. Check out my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. Now, what's different about this book as opposed to some of the other drawing books that you might have or seen? On the right side, it's blank. And on the left side, it has the 3 easy steps. What I did is combine 2 books into one, like a little sketching book and a little technique book on learning how to draw cartoons. So when you're actually anywhere in your house, inside, outside, at a friend's house or a relative's house, you just need that book and a pencil. If you have those 2 things, you got everything. You don't need to have that paper. And it's a portfolio that you can show all your friends and family how you are getting to be better as an artist. That's the key that I really want to share too. Don't throw away your artwork. This book is actually like a little lesson that you can see your progression and how you become a better artist. And it's awesome for that factor. The other side, to make it easier for you to save, and then you can share with all your friends. It's an awesome book. It's over 50 different cute little drawings. So if you want to know where you can get it again, check out my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks, and have a great day.